Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make an X-back top. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. First, we make 3 rectangular pieces with the sizes you see in the video. Of course, the size depends on your model. The sizes I entered are suitable for this model, which is the default model of Marvelous Designer. The next step is to paste these 3 pieces symmetrically. After this, we move 2 larger pieces to the back of the model for the back piece. Place them near the model and flip horizontally. Place smaller pieces next to the model to create the side. In the front pieces, we create points as you can see. And then we make the garment collar. We curve the collar a little to make it more realistic. Create a rectangle the size you see. Now we go to the upper part of the shoulder. Paste it symmetrically. We make another rectangle for the X part of the back of the garment. Move it to the back of the model and flip it horizontally and tilt it towards a corner. We enlarge the bottom side and change the top side as you can see. We paste it symmetrically and give them an X shape. As you can see in the video, we sew the pieces to each other. In cases where there are many pieces, it may be hard to sew them from the two-dimensional section. So you can easily sew the pieces together through the three-dimensional section. After we sew them, we do the simulation. As you can see, the pieces are not sewn together properly. The reason for this problem is that the pieces are far from the model's body. So what we do is bring the pieces closer to the model's body. The point to keep in mind here is to make sure that the stitches do not pass through the model's body. And we simulate again. Here we fix the messed up X top. The front of the garment is very open and shows a large part of our model's body, and definitely, none of us wants that. So what we do is we close the front of the garment a little bit. As you can see, the curves sometimes get messed up as the clothes get smaller. In these cases, you can select the option to delete all curves and curve them from the beginning. The next thing we can do to make the front of this top smaller, is to make the X part of the back of the garment smaller. Here we move the stitches to the middle to make the dress look better. Here, as you can see, The head part of the shoulders does not look good at all. And we make changes similar to what you see in the video in the clothes. To raise the front of the top, we can make the shoulder pieces smaller. We can curve the X part for more beauty. For more wrinkles on the front of this top or any other dress you are working on, you can make the front of it larger than the back. And then more wrinkles will appear on the front of the dress. Here we give more curves to the front of the garment. You can make the changes you want to this top, and change them according to your taste. As you know, there are many types of this type of top, and I just said the generalities here. You can make more appearance changes on this top yourself. Wrinkles do not appear beautiful at all when the number of particle distance is high. To make the dress more beautiful and realistic, We lower the number of particle distance. The number 5 is very suitable for showing beautiful clothes. And if you have a powerful computer, you can also try lower numbers. But at the lower numbers, the process of simulation and working with Marvelous becomes very slow. My suggestion is that when you were finished, then lower the particle distance number to realize the beauty of your work. Otherwise, you will only slow down your work process. Here I forgot to record the merging of the pieces. So when you were finished, merge the front and back pieces to eliminate the middle seam line. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you and could have added something to your information. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it so that you do not miss my future videos. If you like the video, please like it, it would help me a lot. If you have any questions, you can say them in the comments section. So I will see you in the future tutorials.